Hello, hello. Welcome to the AddEvent guide on how to put our embeddable events calendar onto your Webflow site. This is going to be super short and simple, and let's dive on in. So first thing that you're going to need to do is go ahead and install the AddEvent app. I know that maybe seems obvious, but just in case it's not, I'm already connected, so I can just launch that from mine. But if you're not, go ahead and search for AddEvent or Event Calendar or embeddable event calendar, anything like that should have us pop up. So the first thing you will want to do is pop in your calendar ID. We have this default one here just so that if you, oops, I always forget to click in here, just so that if, oh my God, I did it again. There we go. Just so if you don't know what it can look like, you can play around. Otherwise, you're going to want to find your calendar ID. So if you're not familiar on how to find that, click this hyperlink right here. There's a nice handy dandy article on how to find your calendar ID. And otherwise, I can show you when you're on your calendar details page. This is my example hotel calendar. You'll notice up top, there's all these details. Calendar IDs are right here. And you just want to grab the second one. That is your calendar unique key. Jumping back into Webflow, we will go ahead and paste that calendar ID. And if I generate the calendar now, we'll see that it's a different calendar. It's got hotel. If I go to April, which is tomorrow, I can see all the different events going on at my fictional hotel. So a couple options for you. There are some display options that you can toggle on and off. So things like showing the title, for example, the name of my calendar in AddEvent is hotel might not be relevant since I'm already on my hotel website, right? In theory. Other things, we've got, all these different month selectors, subscription selector, etc. Following this calendar is what we call the subscribe button. If you want to allow people to follow your calendar, meaning that they can add it directly to their calendar, leave that there. Otherwise, you can remove that. Lots and lots of customization options. The other one that I want to point out that I think is really important is depending on, what kind of an event event you are having, or calendar you have, or whatever your situation is. Maybe you want the month view. You also have the option to do week view, which is going to look like a traditional week, or schedule view, which is going to show you the monthly schedule. So for example, March, it's the last day of the month, but April, I can see all of these just kind of like in a list schedule view. So lots of default view options where you can have it display those by default. Of course, if you choose to display it in one way, they still can, meaning your viewers can still change it to one of the other views unless you remove that toggle. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you are enjoying it, please let us know. And if there's anything we can help you with, also let us know. Alrighty, thanks. Have a good one. Bye.